Spain.
No, we're not. We're in Salt Lake City in America, and in this really tiny Mini. Go right to the back, Frank, so you can see how hideously long this thing is. They picked us up in a American stretch limousine. Stretch
Limousine.
Anyway, we're just about to go on stage in a minute. We're on our way to the venue, and guys, say something, please.
Tom, fever is out in
Try your
Germany.
best.
Oh my god, then we need to call a doctor.
Oh God. We don't just need an English teacher, we need someone to teach him a sense of humour! Anyway, tomorrow we're flying to New York and then to Boston as well. And we've got RTL coming to do a little shoot on us. And then we're off to Toronto and then back home. Frank, would you like to say anything?
Yeah, fever is out since
Today, was it?
today. It was
Yeah,
today
that's
in
right, in
Germany. Yeah.
That's right.
And do
So-
I have to grow a mustache?
A moustache!
Heißt das so?
A moustache!
Ja, was ist
A
der Unterschied?
moustache!
What's the difference?
Pronunciation.
Ah, come on.
Anyway,
Got it.
cut it. Goodbye!